on here. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie Monique, and today we have two special guests. Again, they're not really special no more, they just guests, but we have Michelle and Shamaya again, and today I'm going to be doing their hair. Obviously I can only do one at a time though, so we're going to start with Shamaya and then move on to Michelle later on.
I'm good, bye.
So today for Shamaya, she wants like a basically like 2 puffs with a front swoop situation on her curly hair. I'll probably insert a picture right there so y'all can see that. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna get started. I'm not doing this in any particular way, just kind of experimenting and hoping for the best outcome. So, you know, this is kind of the first time I've done their hair in a little while, so we'll see how it goes. 2 higher up like ponytails with like the little swoop that people be doing basically. To which side?
You know what? I'll take
Swoop to this side? This side?
this side.
Swoop to
No,
that
wait.
side.
Oh wait. This side.
Okay, so to start, I got this. Alright, you gotta put your hair down a little bit. So there, I just parted her hair in like 2 sections, and I took this little front section for the swoop, and I kind of just, I don't know how to explain it, but I parted it like halfway on this side, and then I got it all the way on this side because that's the way she wants her swoop. So yeah, I'm gonna start going through each section and slicking it down so we can get the bun slick, and then I'll probably do the little swoop last. So there, I just wet her hair as much as possible, and now I'm gonna start going through this section and add in the little leave-in conditioner and gel so that it can be as slick as possible when I pull it up. So the 2 products I'm going to be using while doing this is this little soft gel right there, and then this curl enhancing smoothie for the product. At the top and then like the back out, so we went through and redid that, so it's just a half ponytail, then a back curly, and now the swoop in the front. So now all I have to do on the other side is, like I said before, is just go back in, spray it with the water, then do the curl enhancing smoothie with the gel, and just do the half up ponytail and then leave the back out curly. So we're going to start on the other side now. Hopefully that is close enough for y'all, but I just gave her the little swoop in the front with the 2 ponytails, and then the rest is out in the back. So just a little, you know, curly hairstyle.
Whoa. Stop pushing me! Yes! That is sister abuse.
But yeah, I think we're done. There's Shamaya. Hopefully y'all can see this finish look good when I look on my computer and it's not a total fail. But you know, mistakes happen. Okay, so now we have Michelle. I'm gonna keep y'all zoomed in like this in hopes that y'all can see the hair a little.
Top knot.
Okay, in hopes that y'all can see the hair a little better. So she wants a little top knot with a curly, like a half up, half down with a top knot. I'll put a picture of that probably somewhere here. But yeah, so we get started. I'm gonna go through and apply the curl enhancing. Well, I'll probably part it in half first and then apply the curl enhancing smoothie and the gel like I did in Shamaya's for the styling products, and then create the bun. So all right, I can use that stuff.
All of it.
All right, never mind. She wants to use her specific product, so for her hair we're gonna be using this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink, the little flaxseed one.
It worked for your hair, but like it still shrinks.
Okay, and then we're gonna be using this Garnier Fructis, the little sleek and shine leave-in. Was this yours too? We're also gonna be using this Cantu, the coconut curling cream, and okay, this moisturizing curl activating cream, since these are the products that she wanted to use. Okay, so first I'm gonna start by sectioning her hair in half, the top and the bottom. I just got the top of her head into a little top knot, and now I'm gonna go through and section the bottom with the products in it. So she has a looser texture than Shamaya, and it's not getting slicked down this part, so I'm gonna just go through and add the product in a bigger section. Alright, so I just finished putting all the product into her hair, and then I sprayed it with water because I feel like products generally soak better in once hair is soaking wet. So while this is drying, I'm gonna go up to the top and start working on slicking her bun down. Okay, my camera died, so probably slightly different view, but I'm just working on moisturizing this top part of her hair before slicking it into a bun like I said before. So I already added this on top, and now I'm gonna add the Cantu curling cream in that section too. And now I'm adding that Aunt Jackie's little gel on top. Alright guys, so this is officially the end of the video. This is Michelle's hair, as y'all can see, edges laid, curls juicy, bouncy, okay? Bun up top with the little clip accessories. You know, it's hard doing little kid's hair, but I think I did a good job.
I'm not a little kid. You what I say you are.
And then there's this little girl over here who got bent down because, you know, they can't really see. But she has her nice little swoop with the yellow matching with the scrunchy little edges laid on this side, okay? With the little curls in the back. So, you know, I think I did I think I did a fairly good job on their hair. I'm gonna have to do it a little more so I can get used to it. But if you have any suggestions for videos that you want to see with them or with me by myself, do let me know in the comments. And make sure that y'all like and subscribe and share this with your friends. It would be greatly appreciated because I took a lot of time doing this. But again, I do want to thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.